My name is Luisa. I'm 74 years old. I live here in this old condemned house. It's very hard to get here because the road is very rough. There's just some allotments here, next to a factory. I've lived here for 10 years. When I was young, I was a nurse in the city. And yes, I always knew that I was Jewish. I felt a connection, but I never had a Jewish life. When I discovered WJR's program, I understood what it meant to be part of the Jewish family, which I'd never, ever felt before. They provide so much. I'm so grateful. They give me food without which I couldn't manage, and some clothes and shoes, and coal for the winter, because I don't have anything. Recently, they brought me a fridge and a new bed, because I didn't have one. I don't even have a bathroom here, or a proper toilet. The only toilet I have is a small dirty hole in the yard. But now, thanks to you, I'm going to have a proper toilet. 10 years ago, I was living in the city with my son. But we had severe money problems, and we had to sell our apartment. This rundown plot, with its little house, was all we could afford with the money we had left, which is how we ended up here. My son was so kind, and we loved each other so very much. He became very ill, and he was so young. I did everything I could to save his life. But he had pneumonia, and I couldn't do anything to help him. I was begging the doctors to save him. Please, please, he's so young. But they couldn't help him. And he died. Now, I have only my cats. I don't have any utilities here at all. There's nothing. Water is my most desperate need. In summer, I can get some water, really only fit for the garden, which I have to use for myself. But in winter, it's a terrible problem, because I just have a small hole in the ground, which is completely frozen over. So I have to break the ice even to get a small cup of water, and that's such a struggle for me. But it's the only water I have here in the winter. So thank you for bringing me drinking water. It's so vital for me. If I'm really careful with this water and use it only for cups of tea, these 2 bottles can last 2 months. So I try to use it only for drinking.
My name is Andrei Fysienko. I run the WJR Home Repair Program here. My role is to supervise the project. I choose the builders, I buy the equipment, and I make sure that we meet the needs of our most vulnerable clients.
The work's going really well, and I can see already that my lovely new toilet is nearly finished.
It's thanks to the money we received from WJR that we've been able to build this toilet for Luisa. But now we need to come back to do some critical repairs in the house before winter sets in.
If it weren't for all this help, I'd have died long ago. I'd have frozen to death.
The heart of the project is making sure that we help the most vulnerable people, like Luisa, who could never do this for themselves. So far, just around here, we've identified 108 Jewish homes that need repairs. Across Ukraine, there are thousands. If we had the money, we could start work immediately.
I know that it's Andrei's team that actually built my new toilet. I also know they couldn't do it alone. They are able to do it because there are people who support them, people who give money to them. And that's how it's possible. I'm so grateful to those people for caring. Dear, kind people. I really want to say thank you. Not only for myself, but also for all the other people who you support here. Please don't forget the other Jews. Just because we live so far away, don't forget the old people like me who you support. What you do is wonderful. Thank you, and good luck to you all.